Hi everyone, my name is Rashi. I am a customer success manager here at Ardoq, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create visualizations using inventory mode. This is going to be especially helpful if you're trying to create presentations or share views with the people in your team. To get us started, come over to the Inventory tab and open up Data Overview. In Data Overview, you can actually open up your information or consume the content that you've been collecting in Ardoq by either type, so component types, or by workspaces. I'm going to go ahead and open up my applications and just see what information I have. In this view, you have the ability to toggle on different columns of metadata and references. So I can see I've got my lifecycle phase and my description and some other reference data showing up in this particular view. There are quite a few different things we can do through inventory mode, but today I want to talk about how can we create visualizations. So perhaps I want to be able to better understand the world of Active Directory, Adobe, and App Dynamics. So I'm going to select those three components and I'm going to start visualizing them as a block diagram. This is going to go ahead and open up our Explore Data view. And you can see right now, all I can see are these three particular applications. But if you come into Edit Dataset, I actually have the ability to come and select the references or the relationships that I want to better understand that are related to these applications. So I can then see, I want to understand as an application, is it the parent of a certain interface? Who is the person that owns this particular application, and perhaps the business capability that is realized by this particular application. Those are the three relationships that I'm interested in visualizing and saving as part of my presentation. Here we have my view that's being rendered with this new information. Let's make it a little bit more consumable. Let's go ahead and group everything by workspace. And let's also go ahead and change the layout direction. Perhaps we're going to make that to be left to right. So that's a little bit easier for us to be able to view. And that is perfect for me. I now see all the different people that are part of my people workspace that are owning all of these different applications, as well as the business capabilities that are helping to realize them. At this point, I am now ready to save and add this as a presentation slide. And that's it. Now you know how to create a visualization using inventory mode in Ardoq. If you found this useful, check out the rest of the playlist for more quick tips. And if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to your customer success manager.